For scoring higher bands in IELTS by preparing in the right way, visit courses.manjeetaosta.com or simply write to me at info@manjeetaosta.com. Now let's start with today's session. Hey guys, welcome back. So how's your English preparation going on? Today's video is a bit different. We will learn how to use better vocabulary to describe various situations, improve your English and enhance your sentences through these easy but effective English words. So let's start. The first one is very happy. Let's use it in different sentences. I was very happy to get the award. I was very happy to share this news with my family. I was very happy to succeed in my career. So how did it sound? Can we do better? Of course we can. So let's see how can we improve the sentences by replacing very happy with these words. I was elated to get the award. I was ecstatic to share this news with my family. I was thrilled to succeed in my career. So did you see the power of effective and relevant vocabulary? Now let's see another example. I was very sad for not being promoted. I was very sad to share this with my friends. I was very sad to be at the same level for 3 years. How are these sentences sounding to you? Well, I'm sure you've got the drill of this session and you're already started to think of synonyms and alternative vocabulary for very sad, haven't you? So let's see the improved sentences. I was heartbroken for not being promoted. I was melancholic to share this with my friends. I was depressed to be at the same level for 3 years. So are you liking this fun exercise? Come on, pause the video now and write down what words would you use to describe these sentences. If you are struggling in IELTS speaking and want to score higher, then don't worry at all because I've got you covered. I've created a step-by-step preparation kit to help you get your desired band. Visit courses.manjeetaosta.com and start your preparation right away. All the details in the description box below. Now, let's see the last example. I am very grateful to all my subscribers. I am very grateful to my family members for loving me unconditionally. I am very grateful to the Almighty for this beautiful life. Well, these are some amazing sentences, aren't they? It's a good thing to always count your blessings. Now, let's see what better vocabulary can we use instead of very grateful. I am indebted to all my subscribers. I am obliged to my family members for loving me unconditionally. I am beholden to the Almighty for this beautiful life. Did you see the power of relevant and effective vocabulary? So that's it from my side, guys. Go ahead and drop in your sentences with these words. Always make learning fun for it to be effective. Let me know which are the words from the list which you will use from today. Do not forget that you are my rock star and you will be a champion soon. Take care.